I never made it, but I know what it is.
In this beautiful moment, I would like to deliver whoever word means no one is tired than your liver.
Deliver Praktek Materi. It is my trainer. Mounted this pump and it's young.
I know recently there are many people for job, scholarship, and hello English lovers, my name is Al Adiat, you can call me Al. I'm a student of IELTS English course. I know recently there are many people need an English as requirement of a job, scholarship, and many others. So, IELTS English course is the best choice that I choose that located in Kampung English for learning and improving my skill. I would like to focus on 4 skills. The first is speaking, reading, writing, and listening. The first skill that I would like to focus is speaking, and this is what I have already learned. It's about traveling. I love traveling to different cities of Indonesia, and I love meeting new people from different cities and testing different food. That's my favorite part. I think I have visited about 22 different cities, but there are so many more places on my list. Almost every person that I know who has decent income some sort travel every year, as usually from different cities. In my opinion, traveling to different cities of Indonesia make us more accepting each other differences and teach us about respect different cultures, tradition, and beliefs. And it's also helped me to tell some pretty interesting stories to people. I love talking to people about places they have visited and things that they already seen in the world. I think it's really because I can easily to relate to them and I can easily to share my stories. Alright guys, that's all I can say. Thanks for your time, thanks for your attention. See you bunch.
I only hope you're watching this.